India and Africa have arrived not because the government realized that there is Africa, it's because India's private sector realized that there is Africa. And I think the future of India-Africa relations is actually in the hands of the private sector in India, who have done a commendable entrepreneurial spirit in Africa, and they are the cutting edge. And what is really different between India's partnership with Africa and other partnerships with Africa is the role of the Indian private sector. I would compliment FICCI for having brought this out to Hyderabad, and I'm sure that with such partners as states like Andhra Pradesh, we'll be able to do more and more activity outside in the states. I was particularly happy to be here because as a small boy I lived in Hyderabad, so I have a special affinity for this state, so it was not difficult to drag me out. Just a few quick issues on Africa. I heard the ministers very carefully today. Everybody focuses on trade. Trade is the smallest component of India's engagement with Africa because there is no complementarity. What Africa produces and exports, India also produces and exports. Therefore, largely the trade is based on commodities, gold, coal, oil, and things like that. We need to change this by having more investment. So the secret and the growth of India's engagement with Africa will come from investment, which will utilize trade opportunities not only with India, but with all of Africa's partners. Indian investment in Africa is guess estimated in various amounts, but the most positive figure which I subscribe to is it's over $100 billion. Because it is not calculated so easily, and the globalization takes into account of sourcing from other financial centers than India. And India's investment in Africa is not focused on resources. It is focused on manufacturing and services. And I think that is where we need to understand. I heard the minister from Tanzania, I heard the minister from Ghana, I know Ethiopia is here. These are some of the prime destinations of India's investment in Africa today, and in none of these countries is it resource-led. I think this is something that we need to know. So there's an opportunity for all of you out there, whatever sector you want to go in. The government of India is fully behind you. We have announced $5 billion of lines of credit to support the development of Africa's industry and infrastructure.